Have you ever dreamed of building a custom home exactly the way you want it? If so, you know the journey starts long before the first foundation is poured. It begins with finding the perfect land and the right financing. It can feel like a maze of unfamiliar terms, but it doesn't have to be. Today, we're cutting through the complexity to help you understand construction and land loans from Patriot Bank. Let's start with land loans. This is the first step. Land loans are specifically designed to help you purchase developed or undeveloped property where you plan to build, either now or in the future. Patriot Bank offers competitive rates and personalized assistance to secure your perfect location, giving you the time and flexibility you need to create your building plans. Think of it as securing the canvas before you start painting your dream home or business site. Once you have the land, the next step is the build, which brings us to the construction loan. Unlike a standard mortgage, a construction loan is a short-term, temporary loan designed to cover the costs during the building phase. Patriot Bank's construction loans are structured with your build in mind. They often function as a single settlement loan, meaning you avoid the hassle and extra cost of two separate closings, one for the construction phase and one for your permanent mortgage. Here's how it typically works. Funds are disbursed to your builder in stages, called draws, as work is completed and inspected. This phased approach ensures that the money is only released as progress is made, giving you and the bank peace of mind. Once the construction is finished, Patriot Bank offers a seamless transition to permanent financing. This is where your construction loan converts into a traditional mortgage, like a 15 or 30-year fixed-rate loan. This streamlined process is a huge benefit, simplifying your financial journey from foundation to finish. Whether you're looking to acquire a lot for a future home, or you have blueprints ready and just need the funds to start building, Patriot Bank offers tailored solutions with local decision-making and a knowledgeable team to guide you. Their goal is to make your blueprint a reality. To learn more about specific terms, rates, and to connect with a loan officer, check the link in the description below. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.